Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your loom. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To warp up your loom, tie your warp thread around the first notch on the left. Secure with the double knot. Bring the warp thread directly towards the top, hook around the notch and bring it back down towards you. Repeat this, creating an S movement. Tie off the warp around the last notch using a double knot. The tension will be tight and will feel springy under your hand. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.